Is it time to buy or sell Enphase stock? In this video, we will explore Enphase in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of May, 2025, our system has identified Enphase as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.67. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 3.05%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.02% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 26.89% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from around -37.23% to -19.78%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -57.61%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -63.86% to -44.01% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $17.09 and $26.48. Our latest daily update for Enphase highlights a decline in the stock price, which decreased by 3.57% on Wednesday. Specifically, the Enphase stock price dropped from $49.04 to $47.29. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.24%, ranging from a low of $46.96 to a high of $48.48. The stock has seen an upward trend, rising in 6 of the last 10 days and increasing by 8.14% over the past 2 weeks. While trading volume increased by 1 million shares on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices, which may indicate early warning signs. Consequently, the risk may rise slightly over the next few days. In total, 6 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $263,680,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $141.63, while the lowest price was $43.09. At present, the price is 66.61%, or $94.34, below the 52-week high, and 86.09%, or $292.63, below the all-time high recorded on December 5, 2022, when the price peaked at $339.92. Enphase Energy continues to make strategic moves that could influence its stock price both in the short and long term. Recently, the company launched the IQ Balcony solar system in Belgium, expanding its footprint in Europe's growing solar market. This innovative product allows apartment dwellers to generate clean energy from limited outdoor spaces. Such initiatives should be viewed positively by investors, as they address the rising demand for sustainable energy solutions. Additionally, Enphase announced that its IQ batteries qualify for the New York Battery Incentive Program, offering homeowners potential upfront payments of up to $6,250. This incentive could drive sales and increase installations, reflecting Enphase's commitment to making solar solutions accessible and attractive to a broader audience. These developments may result in immediate market interest, as evidenced by heightened investor attention in recent days. In the long run, Enphase's proactive approach in diversifying its product offerings and tapping into both European and American markets positions it favorably amidst evolving energy policies and consumer preferences. Overall, the combination of product expansion, governmental incentives, and growing investor interest suggests a potentially bullish outlook for Enphase as the company continues to innovate and meet the demand for renewable energy solutions. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned ENPH a grade of underweight along with a downgrade action. On the same day, it was also reported that Exane BNP Paribas gave ENPH a grade of underperform with a downgrade action. Additionally, on Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, BMO Capital rated ENPH as underperform, again with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, GLJ Research assigned ENPH a sell grade along with a hold action. Earlier, on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, Wells Fargo rated ENPH as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Enphase stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Enphase. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen by over 8%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The Enphase stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more cautious forecast for the stock. Moreover, a general sell signal exists based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is higher than the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $48.45 and $49.77. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 31 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 163 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 165 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Enphase. Enphase finds support from accumulated volume at $45.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.52 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.24%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.73%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Enphase, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 62 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Enphase. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Enphase is at $47.94. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Enphase faces its first support level at $45.75. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Enphase from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stephen Gomo conducted an insider purchase of 5,593 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Benjamin John Courtlang conducted an insider purchase of 5,179 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Richard Mora conducted an insider purchase of 5,179 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Thurman J. Rogers conducted an insider purchase of 5,179 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Jamie Elizabeth Henge conducted an insider purchase of 5,179 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 0.222. In total, insiders bought 2,516,567 shares and sold 2,387,396 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and the stop loss has not been established. Is Enphase stock a wise investment? Enphase exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of May, we anticipate Enphase will open higher by approximately 287 cents, with an initial trading price of $47.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.